What is up, guys? This is Luke once again and welcome back to LDGaming. So as you may have seen by the title of this video, we will be building yet another PC, but this time around we will be building an we will be building an Intel PC. So without further ado, let's dive in.
LDGaming.
So here are the parts. Basically, we'll be using the RX580 from AsRock. Next is we will be using the Gigabyte H310M from Gigabyte. Next is we got RAM sticks from Corsair. It's the Corsair Vengeance LPX, 16 gigs. Next is we have some fans from Deepcool RF120s, ARGB fans. Next is the Core i5-9400F. Yes, it's the F series since we don't need the iGPU, the integrated one. Next is for storage, we'll be using the TeamGroup GX2 5112 Gigabyte, and it's a SATA based SSD. And lastly, we'll be using the Cooler Master Watt 550 white. So that's it for our parts, and for the case, it is this one. It's the Gigaware ARGB version. I'm not sure of the model. I'll just put it here on the post edit. So there we go. Let's start building. So let us now see if it would turn on. And there we go. It's done, guys. It's time for the montage. So there you have it, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like this video, please subscribe to LDGaming, and if you don't, you know what to do. Once again, thank you guys for watching. This is Luke, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, guys.